Howdy, y'all. Citigroup is making some big moves today. Let's get to it. All right. So, as y'all saw in the prior video, Citigroup was moving up, had to sell some, and I'm selling more today. I am very happy with this. As I said, I was selling at $66 even. I sold at 64, 65, and now 66. Buying at $40 even. I did buy it in the mid 40s to lower 40s before at $40 even, but my cost base is going further and further down because I kept buying lower and lower. But I'm going to back this out to the 5-day chart, 5 days, 5 minutes. So we can see what Citigroup has been doing, and it just took off today. We are making money. It is fantastic. We're going to back out a little bit further. We'll go to the 10-day. I'm really enjoying this upward momentum, and it's perfectly fine by me having less and less shares because we'll back it out. I know I showed this the other day. We are not yet up at this level, but we have so much stuff going on. We have inflation news today and what they're wanting to do, election stuff, all that's going to be coming into play. It's just a lot of volatility for gains to be disappearing on so easily. And that is why I'm getting out while I'm so far ahead. Yes, I love having high risk tolerance, but it worked so hard for an entire year pretty much to get to here. I'm getting out quite a bit. I still have shares left in Citigroup, but I'm getting some good capital gains. Buying all in this area. This is where I bought it all. And I've just been selling it. I sold some up here before it dropped back down, but I did not get discouraged. Even if it went back down, I would have bought more here. But the analysts were all saying it's going to stay in this area. There are analysts saying it's going to even go up to $80. I'm not too sure about that. I don't want to bank on someone else's opinion and just take their opinion as fact or as a prediction that will come true. I like analyze it myself, and I didn't see it happening soon enough for me because I have other stuff I want to put this money towards. Right now, I just want to get some capital gains and skidoo with it. I have plenty of other investments that I want to put money into, whereas this capital gains, I wanted it really bad. I've been looking forward to this for so long. I've been investing in Citigroup for a long time, and all these upswings, I've loved grabbing it on all these upswings and selling it, waiting for it to come down, sometimes not being in it for years on end. And it probably a year and a half time span right there, a little over a year, and just being able to wait patiently. That's the name of the game, is to be patient. Okay, so we see that it drops down to here, but it dropped down further. Same thing here. It's a huge drop, but it kept dropping. And you just got to wait for that perfect moment. You got to feel it in your gut. You got to feel that moment to buy. It's not always just numbers. It's not always just stock chart patterns. Sometimes you got to learn it and feel it. And right now I'm just feeling I got to get some capital gains. It may go up to 80. If it does, good for Citigroup and anyone who stayed in there. I might keep some of there, most likely not. But I'm still planning to sell more in this area. I'm just very happy with it. Current yield is 3 point something percent, lower threes. Whereas when I bought it down here, it was 5.3%. And I've loved getting the dividends over this past year for it. A little bit less than a year, about 9 months going on a year. I've loved getting the dividends, but capital gains, got to get it. So much bigger, 50, 60 something percent. We're going well over 60% right now. If we're going off of $40, it's over 60%. So I'm really enjoying that. And I just had to make a video out of it. Really enjoying this stock. Can't wait to put this money to good use in another investment, make money off of that one. I cannot wait also for when Citigroup drops. It's going to happen. Look at the past 10 years. There's a pattern here. It may not be the most structured pattern, but look at it. Drop, drop, drop. another drop, and it just keeps dropping. It's going to happen again. This is not the stock that I will hold on to forever. This is a stock that I want to make money on time and time again. Okay, so we may miss one, we may miss another here or there, but it's going to drop big time. And even if you grabbed in here, it still went up to here. Even if you grabbed in here, it still went up to here. So don't feel bad if you don't get at the very bottom. I wouldn't say that I knew this was the exact bottom. I liked the pattern. It looked like it could have gone further down. I was actually hoping it would go further down, more towards 35 even, but it didn't. So I didn't get all the way at the bottom I was expecting, but that's why I get in a little bit on the early side. And that ended up being the bottom, which is fine. I had a lot of shares that I just held on to, and I've been cashing out. So more cashing out on Citigroup. It's getting up close to 67. Might get rid of some more shares there. Or what I'm thinking right now is holding to 68. I don't know why, but I really like the number 68. Nice even number. And as you know, a lot of stocks like nice even numbers. So we'll see where that goes. And if I sell more, I will definitely make another video on this. But have that patience. Wait for it to get really low. Okay, so you may skip one and you have to wait several years. This is a 4-year difference. But if you bought in this area and sold up here, you're making a fortune, not even counting dividends. It's really good. So have fun stock trading. Let me know if y'all are holding on to Citigroup. If you're planning on getting in on the next dip, let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear y'all's thoughts, and I'll see y'all in the next video.